better, unfortunately. So we're gonna do today breakfast. Let's have breakfast. That's it. Okay, this morning I've been trying many different exercise with against sciatic nerve pain, and it doesn't help. On the contrary, most of the time it gets worse. But I found a video. It says exercise for over 70. I'm over 70, and I try them all morning. All of them seems to improve or reduce my pain for a while. Just the last one didn't work for me, so I'm still in pain again. So late in the afternoon I will do those exercise again, but without the last one. If you're interested, I could send you a link, or maybe if I can't find the guy again, I will put a link in the description box. I hope that helped. My best position is sitting, doing nothing. The pain go away as soon as I get up. My muscle on my leg, right leg, go electric, And so when I go to bed, there's only one way. It's I have to put my knees against my chest, both on the side, on the left side only. And that's not too bad. That's how I fell asleep every night. Other than that, I can't sleep on my back or on the other side. So when you do exercise, you need to be careful, very careful which exercise you do, because some may hurt you more than anything else. So I'm doing some gentle one now, and a couple from this morning video, this guy about over 70, sciatica. All right, let's have a rest now. Every day. I've been looking at the video of how to connect the generator without a transfer switch. But my panel is a bit special. I probably have to dismantle everything. I can't even talk. I can't walk, I can't walk, I can't talk. Showing the lake again. Anyway, I have to worry for the water, and it's not run out. Maybe instead of dig your well, which is going to be very, very expensive, maybe build underground water tank. What do you think, guys? Okay, good morning. Still with my pinched nerve, but feel a little bit better, I can see things will get better sometime. Anyway, before anything else, time for breakfast. So my lovely wife prepared for me crepes today, yum. Let's eat. Amazing, this cat always next to me. Today I'm feeling half% better. Maybe more. But I need to be careful. So I'll take it easy. Smell nice. Yeah, I found a hand massage for pinch nerve. It looks like maybe help me too. Interesting. Massage between the fingers. Okay, it's the fried chicken JM did, and the dumpling. Chicken?
Seafood.
Seafood dumpling. Yum. With soy sauce, of course. That's it. Hey, good morning. Today I feel slightly better. Still pinch, but slightly better. I need to get this bathroom finished, or at least the shower functional and a few other things. Anyway, don't go away. I'll show you what I do, but first of all, have a breakfast. Okay, my pinch nerve, not better. It was better yesterday morning, but I had to grab Bella and I'm back to square one now. This is for the bathroom. Show you what I got. Okay, I think you've seen this. You can have a Lazada, but also Shopee. 818 pesos for 2 lengths. Each length I think is 1.5 meter long. So it's 400 each. I bought 2 near the door and near the shower. I don't know if it's gonna work well, but it comes. I don't read Chinese, but I think it comes with a glue. Yep. Yeah, this is Chin Chong Wan Yang Chin Chong Chong Chong. That's what it is. Must be the glue. And that's the profile. You can see. So I'll find out what it is exactly, and I will tell you in a sec. Just do a bit of a Google search. The good thing about that is that you can walk on it. See? It just squash if you walk on it. So it's good. I like that, especially with Bella. Alright. Okay, I'm going to put this water stopper along here where the pen is. Halfway between those tiles. Yeah, that's the best way. They also come in different color. So let's present that. I first cut this approximate. I don't know where my knife is gone. Yeah, just a slight too long, so That's where it's gonna go. Okay, before sticking the thing, I will use some bleach to clean the floor. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, first clean with the brush, and then with the wet rag, just clean. Let it dry. We'll be back to install the thing. So what are we having today?
Chicken, garlic, lemon.
Okay, in my country we call it lemon chicken.
Maybe that's it.
It's nice, yeah. Very good. Oh, you're sweating so much, you work so hard. Thank you, my love. Ah, no, just here.
Chris come yesterday.
Bella knows how to make herself busy.
Oh, yeah, green to.
I'm getting hungry for many things. But you don't love me anyway. Really?
Maybe you don't love me.
You love me?
I said maybe you don't love me.
Of course I love you. I know she does. Only one knows. Sorry, my wife. It's so delicious I forgot to film. It's the paprika lemon chicken. I have rice this time. But just a bread with a salad. Tomato salad. Let's continue eating. Yeah, those flexible things are a little bit hard to keep straight. That's done anyway, so let's put the shower and curtain now. Everybody working hard. Hello, sexy. Wow.
I don't know what
You done more? You've done more up there? Ian, Kylian, Mbappe? Wow. Oh, I like this one. She's so good. Yeah. Okay, let's put that in now. I got the bar, everything. Okay, let's see if I got the strength. I'll put the mirror and the shelf. See how we go with my back. Okay, guys. The wife has been working very hard. The baby just woke up from her nap. And I've done enough work on the bathroom. Because I'm not still 100% with my sciatic nerve. So anyway, just have a little beer, not much. And tomorrow we continue with the bathroom. We still got the towel rack, mirror, many things to put in. Okay guys, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Until the next video, take care. God bless you all. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Oh, baby.